Okay, so let's take a step back and talk about the last thing that I want to talk about today, and that is the concept of staticness. What am I going to do? I'm going to go ahead and make product as simple as possible. So I'm going to create a public static string name with a public getter and a public setter, public static decimal price with public getter and public setter, and whoops, why am I making them static? Derp. And I'm just going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to create two products. Why am I not copying and pasting this code? Okay, so I have two products. Right now, all the members inside of product are instance members, meaning that these members get instantiated along with the objects. So we already have talked about how the fact that this name property is different from this name property. They contain two different bits of data. Well, that's because they're instance. The same goes for if I did public void display and said console writeline name plus price. This is an instance method, meaning this method is owned by both of the objects of the type that I'm creating. So let's talk about static. Static is the antonym of instance. So if instance means that this method is carried along with all of my products, the word static is the opposite of that. Static means that there's only one of the things that we create that is not carried along with every individual instantiation of an object.